In this video, I will show you how to create digital artworks on Canva. Hello and welcome. My name is Queen and I teach people how to use Canva to create stunning designs in a few clicks. If you're new here, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe, like our tutorials and comment. So let's dive into Canva photo editor to start creating from scratch. First, you tap on create designs, which will lead you to the photo editor where we will create everything we need from scratch. Now we are on photo editor, so we are going to use the Canva tools to add background. So let's head over to the elements. Under the pictures, you will get artistic backgrounds. You place it on the Canva editor in the position of 1/3. Then you go over and get a cloudy background. You place it on the quarter of the Canva editor like so. Then you go back to element, search for shadow. This will help you to blur those rough demarcation, to blur it so that it will have the transition will look smooth and real, like how I'm doing. I'm duplicating and pasting to make the work fast. After this, you take an orange shadow. You can use shadow or blur to make the transition to look more real. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video. This is the only way you encourage me to keep creating content for you. Then you have to go over and add these elements, making it look like rainfall. I will put the name of this element on the screen. You will see it. So you duplicate. That's for this. Then you go over and take to fit into the Canva photo editor. Then what I do is lock this element. Why? Because I don't want, when I'm pasting other elements, it will be shifting and obstructing my design. When you look at the cloud, you will see that it looks dull. So we want to add a color that will make it look brighter. So I will go over to elements, take the square shape, expand it to fit into the cloud shape, change the color to blue, a brighter blue, bright blue, to make it look more attractive, just the way I'm doing. So you reduce the transparency to 33 or more, so as the cloud features will pop out. And also put the layer at the back of the shadow. Then we move over to adding water elements and the picture, the lady picture. You remove it with the background remover, position it in the appropriate position, just the way I'm doing. Then you add water splash, water drops to make it more realistic. So now you add the raindrops to make it look real. We are trying to actualize a realistic drawing or a realistic digital art. Then you add this falling from heaven creature. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss out from any of the content I share. We would love to see your feedbacks on this video and what you would expect to learn from the channel. We will gladly teach you. So you add this element, you reduce the size, reduce the transparency and duplicate it, attach it to the other side of the picture. Then you attach the flying birds to give it life effect. Also duplicate it to make it fuller. You can reduce the transparency. So that is all for this video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do me the favor to subscribe on this channel. Turn on the notification bell to get updates when we post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video tutorial. Bye for now.